Hello everyone, my name is Nancy Ventura Martinez. I am a TRV student coordinator, and today I will be discussing how to register for courses. Alright, so first you're going to want to log into your UC Merced portal. Once you've done that, I will first show you how to check your registration time and see if you have any hold on your registration. So you're going to want to click My Registration Time here at the bottom left corner. And then this screen will appear. Make sure it's fall semester of 2020 and then click submit. And this is the screen that you shall see. So here you have the registration time. Mine was April 6th at 9:30 a.m. And then I have until September 16th at 4 p.m. to register for a different course. Here, I do not have any holds preventing my registration. I'm in good academic standing, and I'm good to go on my student status. However, make sure that you don't have any red X's. If you do, please contact your academic advisor to help with that situation so that you are able to register at your registration time. Alrighty, let's go back to your portal. So now click My Registration and then click register/add/drop classes. Fall semester again and then click submit. All right, so here you're going to want to click the link that starts with registrar.ucmerced.edu/go/schedule. And that will take you to this screen. So click Fall Semester 2020, and then here you're going to want to click Open Classes Only, because if you click All Classes, it will not only show you the open classes that are available, but the courses that are already full. So click Open Classes, and then click View Class Schedule, and I will show you what that looks like. All right, so these are the open courses that have seats available to have students register. You can see all of the courses that have any seats available to register. Now, I will show you an example of how to register for a course. So let's go to biology. Let's go to genetics. All right. Starting with the CRN. CRN stands for course registration number. And that's very important because this number will allow you to actually register for the course, which I will show you in just a moment. So take note of this CRN. Once you have seen all of the courses that are available and you have decided on the best courses that not only fit with your schedule, but go with your requirements for your degree. So let's say you want to register for this course. Bio 140, Section 20. This is a genetics course. It is 4 units. It is a lecture, Tuesday, Thursday, from 1:30 p.m. to 2:45 p.m. And since this semester most of the courses are remote, this course is remote as well. And this is where you should see. It starts August 26th and it ends December 11th, taught by Aaron Hernday. So the amount of seats available for this course is 264. The students that have registered for this course is 176, and the amount of seats available are 88. So 88 more students can register for this course. I want to also point out exam, and that is the final time. So your final exam time is Tuesday, December 15th from 11:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. And this is remote as well. Another thing that I want to point out is that you can't register for courses that have not only conflicting times, but also conflicting finals times. So once you have the classes that you want to register for, make sure that none of the times conflict and especially that finals time. Those cannot conflict with one another. I also want to show you what happens if you click the CRN. So again, you have the CRN of the course title, genetics. It is 4 units. This course does have prerequisites, so make sure that you have taken all the prerequisites to take this course. 88 seats remaining. And course description you also have here. So let's go back. One final thing that I want to mention is that some courses have what are called discussions. And discussions are separate from lecture. And during these discussions, you have a TA, which would normally be a grad student, giving supplemental information, going over any questions that might have not been answered during lecture, quizzes, any activities that the TA wants you to do to help with the learning of the course. That will take place all in discussions. And for this genetics course, you have a multitude of options for discussion times. So make sure to take a look at the different times, see what works best for you. I want to point out that R means Thursday, so these discussions will take place Thursday. And if you see a T, that's Tuesday. M for Monday, W for Wednesday, F for Friday, and so on. So not only are you registering for the genetics lecture, but you're also registering for the genetics discussion. And if you see here, it says, must also register for a corresponding discussion. And for some classes, you might also have lab that you need to take for the entire course. But for genetics, you just need the lecture and discussion. So take note of the CRN of the lecture and the CRN of the discussion. So I would write those down because you will need it for this next part. So once you have gathered all the CRNs and you have made your schedule that you would like to have for the fall semester, input all the CRNs in these boxes, and these boxes will allow you to type out the CRNs. So once it is time for you to register, you will be able to put in all the CRNs and click Submit Changes. That is when you will see your current schedule, and it will look something like this. Of course, we will all have different schedules, so you will see the schedules that you have put the CRNs for. So here I'm taking 15 units, maximum is 18. However, you might have an issue registering for a course if, again, the times are conflicting or if the finals time are conflicting, and that will show up right here in the bottom. So if you do have any errors in your registration due to conflicting times or what have you, you will see that at the bottom, and it will not let you register for those courses or just that course. Another tip that I want to mention is that if you're able to register for a course but it is currently full, I recommend checking on that daily to see if a class opens up. So let's say you add a class, but that is your second choice. You're able to drop that class and add the class that was just opened. So you would add the new CRN of the class that just opened up. And then let's say I want to drop this human physiology in place of the other course. I would click on this option, and then it'll say web drop. So you click web drop, you add the CRN of the other course, and then you click submit changes. And that should allow you to add that new class and drop the other class that you no longer want. So now you are able to register for courses. Again, this is only, you will only be able to do this once your registration time is near. once it has passed, during that time, you are able to register for courses. If you have any questions regarding your registration status or any courses that you are looking at, do not hesitate to reach out to your advisor. You're going to want to register as soon as possible so that you're able to get the classes that you want. Also, if you have any questions for us, please don't hesitate to reach out to trv@ucmerced.edu. And thank you so much.